Hundreds of 5-star online reviews agree that this Woven Wicker Egg Chair is a household classic. The large, open profile combines the cool and casual nature of outdoor furniture with the comfort of the most plush armchair. As you can see, it's a straightforward assembly, with all the parts and hardware clearly labeled for your convenience, and even some handy tools. We start by assembling the frame. Attach the Part A right side frame to the Part C back frame with 3 Part 2 bolts and 6 Part 6 washers. Then we secure the bolts with 3 Part 5 cap nuts. Repeat to attach the Part B left side. Make sure the hardware is arranged like so. Take a moment to check everything is straight and secure before moving to the next step. And now, let's find the top of our egg. Attach the Part D frame top to the frame assembly with 3 Part 4 bolts and 6 Part 6 washers. Now that you've built an egg, let's attach the legs. Use 5 Part 3 bolts and 10 Part 6 washers to attach the Part E seat frame to your frame assembly. Attach the Part F base with 4 Part 1 bolts and 4 Part 6 washers. Arrange your cushions as shown. Find your favorite book or device and enjoy a cozy afternoon relaxing in your new favorite seat. We hope you found this helpful. For videos like this and more, check out our YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.